In today's video, we're counting down the top 12 disability insurance companies in the United States in 2026. Our rankings are based on reputation, financial strength, policy flexibility, and customer satisfaction. Why do you need to watch this video about disability insurance? Imagine losing your ability to work tomorrow because of an accident or illness. How would you pay your bills, your rent, your family's expenses? This is exactly why disability insurance exists. It replaces a portion of your income if you're unable to work due to injury or illness. According to many financial experts, your ability to earn income is your biggest financial asset. Make sure you stay until the end, because our number one pick offers some of the strongest income protection policies in the entire industry. Let's begin. 12. Mutual of Omaha. Starting our list at number 12 is Mutual of Omaha. Founded in 1909, this company has built a strong reputation in the American insurance industry. Their disability insurance policies are known for being affordable and simple for those who want basic income protection. Key benefits include short-term disability coverage, flexible benefit periods, and strong financial stability. Sa Palest Ameritas. At number 11, we have Ameritas. Ameritas offers customizable disability income policies, particularly popular among professionals like dentists, doctors, and lawyers. Some highlights include non-cancelable policies, residual disability benefits, and strong financial ratings. 10. Assurity Life Insurance Company. Next on the list is Assurity Life Insurance Company. Assurity offers affordable disability insurance plans with flexible underwriting, perfect for freelancers and entrepreneurs. This company stands out because of its simple application process and specific coverage for self-employed individuals. 9. Breeze Insurance. At number 9 is Breeze. Breeze is a modern digital-first insurance company specializing in disability insurance. Their biggest advantages include fully online applications, fast approvals, and a simple policy structure. 8. The Standard. Coming in at number 8 is The Standard. The Standard has been providing insurance services for over a century and is known for strong group coverage. Their policies are known for employer-sponsored plans and reliable claim payments. 7. Transamerica. Number 7 goes to Transamerica. Transamerica offers long-term disability options often bundled with retirement and life insurance plans. Key features include income replacement benefits and competitive premiums for individuals and businesses. 6. Illinois Mutual. At number 6, we have Illinois Mutual. They focus heavily on disability income insurance for working professionals and small business owners. Their standout features include return of premium options and flexible policy riders. 5. Principal Financial Group. Breaking into the top 5 is Principal Financial Group. Principal is widely recognized for its strong disability income policies for surgeons and high-earning professionals. Highlights include own occupation disability coverage and high benefit limits. 4. Mass Mutual. At number 4 is Mass Mutual. Mass Mutual is one of the most trusted insurance companies in America, known for excellent claims reliability. Their disability insurance offers highly customizable policies and strong financial ratings. 3. Guardian Life. Coming in at number 3 is Guardian Life. Guardian is widely considered one of the best for medical professionals and specialists. Their policies include true own occupation coverage and high income replacement percentages. 2. Northwestern Mutual. Our runner-up is Northwestern Mutual. Northwestern Mutual is famous for financial strength and consistently ranks among the most reliable insurers in the U.S. Their disability policies offer long benefit periods and high coverage limits. On the best disability insurance company. Taking the number 1 spot in 2026 is The Hartford. The Hartford stands out for its excellent coverage and strong claim support, widely used by major employers. Top advantages include comprehensive short and long-term plans and coverage flexibility. So those were the top 12 disability insurance companies in the United States in 2026. Choosing the right disability insurance can protect your income, lifestyle, and financial future. Before buying a policy, always compare coverage options, benefit periods, premiums, and financial strength. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.